Hello guys, today I'm back with the part 2 of Animal Quiz. So let's start. The first question is, which is the smallest word? And your time starts now. And the answer is hummingbird. The picture of hummingbird I will show in the last part of Animal Quiz. So the next question is, which is the largest carnivore on world? And your time starts now. And the answer is polar bear. Here's your next question. Which is the tallest dog breed? And your time starts now. And the answer is Great Dane. Next question is, which is the fastest flying bird? And your time starts now. And the answer is peregrine falcon. So here's your next question. Birds maintain their body temperature in the range of, and your time starts now. And the answer is 40 degree to 44 degrees Celsius. Next question is about how many species of birds are there, and your time starts now. And the answer is over 9,000. So